What's the meaning of apprise? Apprise. Apprise.
Apprise. Apprise. The term apprise means to inform or notify someone about something. It involves providing information or updates to someone about a particular situation or event. The result of apprising someone is that they become aware of the information being shared and can use it to make informed decisions or take appropriate action. Apprising someone can be done verbally, in writing, or through digital means such as email or text message. It is an important communication skill that helps ensure effective communication and collaboration among individuals and teams.